Morning Moon.
I take the privilege to introduce Srimati Bhagavatula Satyapriya Garu from Vijayanagaram. Is a very talented and prominent actress on the silver screen and television from the past 50 years. She acted in 6 languages so far: Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Oriya, Malayalam and Kannada. Srimati Satyapriya Garu is the daughter of Sri Bhagavatula Nageshwar Rao Garu and Srimati Sita Ratnam Garu, born in 1953 in Vijayanagaram. She started learning classical dance when she was 5 years old from Sri Sampath Kumar Garu. She learned Bharatanatyam from Sri Ramamurthy Master for some years. Illu Vakili, Janma Janmala Bandham, Adavallu, Apanindalu, Navvutu Bratakali, Kotalo Paga were some of her movies in Telugu. She debuted in Tamil with a movie named Manjal Mugame Varugha under the direction of Sri J.C. Guhanathan. Her debut film in Kannada is Besuge. She danced in 2 of the Oriya movies too, in guest roles. She did nearly 300 films and proved her as a refined actress in South Indian cinema. Bhasha, Roja, Durga, Suryavamsham, Sita Ramaraju, Lahiri Lahirlo, Yavade Atagadu, Yemandi, Malli Pelli Cheskondi, Ala are some of the Telugu movies got added to her success list. Though she lost her husband in 1995, she brought up her children wonderfully and did complete justice to all her family priorities as well as to her professional responsibilities. That's really great. While doing films, she joined television too. She did one of the lead characters in the Telugu serial Srimati, telecasted by Gemini TV in 2000. This was a beautifully appreciated family story played by singer Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam Garu. Mutyala Muggu is another remarkable tele-serial in her life. Kolangal in Tamil, in which she acted for 7.5 years in 1560 episodes. Such a great number, ma'am. Srimati Satyapriya Garu was honored by Tamil Nadu government in 2005 with the prestigious Kalaimamani Award for her contribution to the film industry for 3 decades. She was also honored with the Best Supporting Actress Award for the Tamil serial Kolangal by Tamil Nadu government in 2007. She was recognized as Best Mother in Sun Kutumbam Awards in 2010 for Kolangal serial. At present, very popular with the trending Tamil serial Yethir Nichal on Sun TV. It is now my honor to invite Srimati Bhagavatula Satyapriya Garu to the stage with her amazing contribution to the cinema and television. We are truly privileged to have her here today. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your presence here, for gracing this occasion. I would like to deliver some speech from our chief guest.
Good evening, everybody. Namaste. Namaskara. Vanakkam. Vanakkam, vanakkam. இன்னைக்கு இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் heads off to you, sir. ஏன்னா நம்ம பாஷையே இல்லாத ஒரு தேசத்துல வந்து நம்ம குழந்தைகளை எல்லாரையும் சேர்த்துட்டு இப்படி ஒரு அழகான பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ், இப்படி ஒரு அழகான ஆர்டிஸ்ட் அவர் உருவாக்குறாருன்னா really heads off to you. இந்த குழந்தைகளை பார்க்கும்போது என்னுடைய சின்ன வயசு ஞாபகம் வருது. சத்தியமா அது குழந்தைங்க என்ன பயம் இல்லாம ஆடுதுங்க. அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ், இந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம வாத்தியார் கொடுத்திருக்காரு, அது வேற விஷயம். பேரண்ட்ஸ், I really appreciate you all to give such encouragement and cooperation to our master. So இது வந்து எனக்கு சொல்றதுக்கு வார்த்தைகளே வரமாட்டேங்குது நிஜமா சொல்லணும்னா. அதனால ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் பண்ணிட்டு நான் என்னுடைய மரியாதைய நம்ம வாத்தியார் வெங்கட் பிரபு சாருக்கு தெரிவிக்கிறேன். తెలుగు ఎందుకు మాట్లాడడం? అది నా మాతృభాష అయిందే. సరే, మన ప్రేక్షకుల వేండుకోలు ఏమంటారు తెలుగులో, కోరిక ప్రకారం చూసారా, నేను 100% తమిళ ఆర్టిస్ట్ అయిపోయాను. ఓకే, మన ప్రేక్షకుల కోరిక ప్రకారం రెండు మాటలు తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడేస్తాను. నిజంగా చెప్తున్నానంటే నాకు అసలు ఈ ఖతార్లో ఉన్నట్టే అనిపించడం లేదు, ఇండియాలోనే ఉన్నట్టుంది, ముఖ్యంగా తెలుగుదేశంలో ఉన్నట్టుంది. నన్ను మాటికి సత్యప్రియ భాగవతుల అని అంటుంటే అసలు ఎవరిని పిలుస్తున్నారా అని చుట్టూ చూస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే నన్ను సాధారణంగా సత్యప్రియ అమ్మ, సత్యప్రియ మేడం ఇలాగే పిలుస్తారు. కానీ మన సాంప్రదాయం ప్రకారం మన ఇంటి పేరుతో సత్యప్రియ భాగవతుల అని పిలవడం అసలు వేరే లెవెల్. ఓకే, సో అసలు మాస్టర్కి మీరు ఎంత అసలు కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్పుకున్నా చాలు అనుకుంటాను నేను. ఎందుకంటే ఆ ఒక్క ప్రాణి ఇంతమంది పిల్లల్ని కంట్రోల్ చేసి ఇంతమంది పిల్లలకి హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. వీళ్ళందరి తరఫున నేను మీకు థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటాను. ఇల్లే ఒక నిమిషం. மாஸ்டர் வந்து எங்க பரதநாட்டியத்துல மாஸ்டர் பெரியவரோ சின்னவரோ கணக்கு கிடையாது. மாஸ்டர் இஸ் ஏ மாஸ்டர்.
It is now time to felicitate our esteemed chief guest, Satyapriya ma'am, whose presence today adds immense value to our event. We are deeply honored to have her with us. I request all chief guests to kindly come forward and present a token of our appreciation to Satyapriya ma'am. Please join me in a round of applause as we honor them.
Pritish sir, please. Madam. చూడమణి గారు, వెంకప్ప గారు, హరీష్ రెడ్డి గారు, మినీ మ్యామ్ ఫ్రమ్ అల్కోర్, సాదిక్ బాషాజీ ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ us. మైండ్ మాస్టర్స్.
Morning Moon.